Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in this video I will be showing you how to undo the email that you have sent from Gmail. So before starting the video, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. Well, you may have the problem where you send an email. Let's say you want to send an CV, so you write please check my attached CV, and then you forget to attach the CV and then you just accidentally send it. Then you may feel embarrassed, right? Now we can use the feature of undoing it and modifying it, then sending it. So I will now show you how to do that. So I have opened my Gmail and you should do it too. So you should open Gmail in your browser, and then let's take an example first to show you what I mean. So let's compose an email. So I will write please check the address CV. Then I will send it. You can see now it is showing undo, but let's say you did not reach that time, and after the time has already been reached, then you remember that you haven't attached your CV and now you can't do anything. The email has been sent. You can do anything after you have sent it, but you can prevent it before. What you need to do is click on the settings, see all settings. Here there is an option of undo send, so I have set it to 5 seconds, but what you need to do is set it to 30 seconds. So you will have 30 seconds to undo your email, and go down and click on save changes. Now let's try to compose an email. Let's hit send. So you will have time to undo your message. Let's just hit undo. Then you can again edit your email. So let's try dot, and then let's write CV. Then you can again tap on send. You can again undo it. So I hope you guys like the video, and if you have any queries you can comment down below. Hope you guys have a good day. Thank you.